Hello friends, welcome to Sam Biology class. Friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also please share your comments so that I'll be able to improve my performance, and as a result the videos will be more useful to you. I am grateful to all of my friends, those who have subscribed my YouTube channel. Thank you very much friends. Many thanks to all those friends, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel but are still watching these videos. I am requesting all of my friends, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe. My channel name is Sam Biology Class and the subscription is absolutely free of cost. Your subscription will help me to promote my channel to a greater height so that more will be benefited. Friends, today we shall discuss about some of the structures in bacteria that are external to the cell wall. Some bacteria have an additional layer that lies outside their cell wall. When the layer is well organized, it is not easily washed off. Such a well organized layer is called as capsule. So capsule is a protective layer which is well organized. As a result, it is not easily washed off. But sometimes when the layer is not well organized and is diffused, such a layer is called a slime layer. The slime layer is easily washed off. When the layer is composed of a network of polysaccharide extending from the surface, such a layer is called as GLYCOCALYX. The term GLYCOCALYX encompasses both capsule and slime layer because they are usually composed of polysaccharides, but in some bacteria, the capsule and the slime layer is constructed of some other material. For example, in Bacillus anthracis, the capsule is proteinaceous. It is composed of poly-D-glutamic acid. The capsule is a protective layer. It confers several advantages on the bacterial cell. The capsule helps protect the pathogens against phagocytosis by host phagocytes. Because the capsule held a great deal of water, it protects the microbial cell against desiccation. Another important role is the capsule excludes virus and most hydrophobic toxic substances such as detergents. The glycocalyx also help in the attachment of microbe to the solid surface as well as tissue surface in plants and animals. Some gliding bacteria have been shown to secrete slime which aid in the process of motility. So friends, this is about some of the functions of capsule. In some bacteria, there is an additional structured layer called as S-layer which lies just outside their cell wall. The S-layer is composed of proteins or glycoproteins. It has a pattern similar to that of floor tiles. In some archaea, it is the only structure that is present outside their plasma membrane where it serves as the cell wall. This figure shows the presence of S-layer in gram-positive bacteria and in gram-negative bacteria. In gram-positive bacteria, the S-layer is associated with the surface of peptidoglycan, whereas in gram-negative bacteria, the S-layer directly adheres to the outer membrane. The S layer is an important structure that plays several roles. It protects the cells against pH and ion fluctuation, osmotic stress, enzymes, and predaceous bacteria. It also helps maintaining the shape and rigidity of envelope. In some cases, the S layer promotes the attachment of bacterial cells to the surface. And finally, for some pathogens, the S layer protects them against the host defense, thereby contributing to their virulence. So friends, this is all about glycocalyx, capsule, slime layer and S layer. For more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sam Biology Class, and also please don't forget to share your comments. Thank you very much.